Creating a hummingbird garden can be a fun and exciting project for both new and experienced gardeners. By creating a hummingbird garden, you can attract these beautiful creatures to your backyard and provide them with a source of food and shelter. Today we'll be sharing 5 helpful tips to create a garden that will attract these feathered friends. Hummingbirds are fascinating and beautiful birds, known for their stunning colors, acrobatic flight, and their ability to hover in mid-air. As well as being beautiful creatures, they're also important pollinators, so it's beneficial to create a garden that attracts and helps hummingbirds. Here are 5 tips to help you create a hummingbird garden. Number 1, choose the right location. The first step in creating a hummingbird garden is to choose a great location. The best spot is one that gets plenty of sunlight throughout the day, but that also experiences some shade so that the birds are protected from the sun. If possible, the availability of trees will help attract hummingbirds and provide them with shade and perching spots. Number 2, plant the right flowers. Hummingbirds are attracted to brightly colored flowers that contain nectar, particularly those that are tubular shaped. Hummingbird favorites include salvia, bee balm, trumpet vine, cardinal flower, and petunia. It's recommended to plant a variety of flowers that bloom at different times throughout the year so that the hummingbirds have a consistent source of food. Planting several of the same species together helps to provide more nectar. The Pollinator Partnership has a free eco-regional planting guide to help you choose the right flowers for your area. Placing nectar bird feeders in your garden can also be very beneficial for hummingbirds if they're correctly maintained. Number 3, provide a water source. Hummingbirds love to bathe in water, so providing a shallow source of water in your garden is very helpful. Most bird baths are too deep for hummingbirds, so misters, drippers, or a bird bath filled with stones to make the water much more shallow are more appropriate options. Number 4, avoid pesticides. Pesticides and other chemical treatments can be harmful to hummingbirds and other wildlife, so it's best to completely avoid using them in your garden. Number 5, plant a tree for nesting. Trees are the perfect place for hummingbirds to perch and create their nests. So adding trees to your garden, if possible, is ideal for these pollinators. Larger trees are best. Smaller trees can still work well if you have a smaller yard. Creating a hummingbird garden can be a fun and rewarding project that not only attracts these beautiful birds to your backyard, but also helps to support local wildlife. By choosing the right location and planting the right flowers, you can create a hummingbird garden that will be a haven for these feathered friends. You can view our whole pollinator collection at becauseteas.com. For each order, we'll make a donation to environmental nonprofits, plus plant 10 trees on your behalf. Thanks for joining us at Because Nature. We'll see you next time.